Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're stupid and we left boxes outside for the TV, so it's drenched. So is that. It got super rainy last night after we had like 3 beautiful days in a row. Well, I guess welcome to what you would call spring here in Tennessee. Today we are going to be rolling in the shit box and about to just start this baby up, and then we'll talk about what we're doing. It's crazy. We don't have a place to live in Colorado. Still got 4 cars in the driveway. The moving company is coming today to start packing up the house, and I have no way to attach a trailer to the canyon to haul the shit that we need to take with us. So probably make a dump run later on today as well in the canyon so we can load some more shit in there, because the trash is just building up. Got a whole nother trash can full in the house already. Got like 1 or 2 bags sitting by the door in the garage right there. As soon as you open it, I'm gonna tumble out. Excuse me. But we've had a little bit of coffee. We're gonna head out to AutoZone first, then Walmart, and if they don't have my hitch, guess we're gonna figure out a different plan. We're gonna find one today, because it has to be on by this weekend at least, or at the latest, you know, because if it's not on there, I can't pick up my trailer on Monday, and I will have no way to haul my shit. I will legitimately like have to rent an actual U-Haul and a trailer, put this motherfucker on it, and haul that. No, fuck that, we ain't doing it. So we'll see y'all at AutoZone. So we're picking up a passenger. There you go. We gotta try to shove it in here. Get a good angle for this bad boy. Right there. Yeah, I'll go in there. Woo! Why would I bring this car? I'm so stupid. Why would I bring this car to haul this freaking shit? I don't know why I didn't think about that before. That's probably because of me. All right, off to Walmart we go. And I think that's a little more expensive of an hitch actually than what I paid for. So I got a little bit of a discount. Because usually, because on the VDP stuff from their warehouse, they can't do any discounts built or anything. So guess we got some work to do. Well, off to Walmart we go. Got the hitch in the back and go from there. BR6, baby! Love it. I'm gonna be careful with this freaking car, man. I'm about to blow it up before I even get to Colorado. Lights on for safety. Man, it's freaking hot in here. Yep, we're off to Walmart now. Got the parts we needed. Happy. The seat heater's nice though. Put it down to 2. Hell yeah, all greens, baby! Good to go. Yeah, get out the way, Fusion Eco Boost. What you gotta pick up some formula, some spackle, and maybe a battery here at Walmart. Boop. We'll see you in there. Holy hell, look at that big old truck. Damn. Alright, as you can see, we're down at Walmart. It's raining harder. Everything's friggin' wet. But we did pick up a battery. So, be able to put that in the Corvette at some point. Hopefully when it's not raining. And we got some moving boxes. So we're about to head back to the house. And at least get the baby fed. Should be still sleeping. And go from there. Jeez, what a shitty ass day. We'll just wait for the movers. Drink some beer maybe, I don't know. So as you guys can see, it's the next day. We got the dog locked outside. The house is packed up because the movers are here. So they're coming to move stuff out today, which is why we didn't continue filming yesterday. And all the cars are parked down over there somewhere. They're moving out, getting the trailer ready. And we still don't have a place to live. But we do have all the parts for the cars. We did put the battery in the Corvette yesterday. Didn't film any of that because it took 10 minutes and really wasn't worth filming. So other than that, we're just gonna kind of hang out till all the stuff's out and clean the house. But other than that, we are going to be shipping this set of toolboxes and the red one. We got all our tools in the other one and everything else packed up. So I don't know how long this vlog is going to be or any of that, but it'll be what it is. And we'll see what else we can cram into it. Otherwise, after this thing, you'll just see an outro. Alright guys, the vlog is continuing today. We're gonna run to the dump and get rid of a bunch of crap. Then we are gonna run to Walmart, get our money back for the core charge for the battery. And then we're gonna pick up some blinds as well. I guess that'll kind of complete the AutoZone Walmart vlog and of today's little moving experience. Sorry it's kind of all over the place, but it's been kind of rough filming the last couple days just because we're so busy running around, so we're not filming a whole lot. But I did want to get a vlog out there for you guys, so we'll go on head to the dump real quick, drop this shit off, hit Walmart, grab ourselves some parts for the house, and we'll go from there. Alright, got all the trash dumped off. Now we're gonna drive up there where that van's at. Kinda can't see it. But we gotta go across the scales, drive all the way up there on that hill, and drop off the little bit of wood that we got. Fill wood pile. Cool. So we're going that way. See y'all in a second. Well, I guess we're going up this big ass hill now. This is the most off-road action this truck has seen yet. But look at all that, look at that nice sight right there. There's a lot of dumpsters up in this motherfucker. I feel like we're gonna die anyways, so. I don't know where the damn demo thing is. I never even been up here before. But we'll find out what's going on anyway. I don't know how to get back down. Where the the hell I go from here? Ah, over there, man. That's where we go. Probably got 4 fucking flat tires, but we'll catch y'all back over at Walmart. Alright folks, well, I think that's going to be about it for today's vlog. We are back from Walmart. Got our blinds. Somebody's picking up this crappy transmission right here in a couple hours. We got the garage all packed up back there. This is all the stuff we're going to be taking. That's going to go back in the house. That's coming with us. Excuse me. We got the trailer hitch going in hopefully Friday night, along with this harness for the lighting, and we'll go from there. Got what toolboxes all out of here with the movers, but we got this one all set up with the shit as you guys saw. But Corvette's good to go to James's tomorrow. Probably vlog that. And well, I guess that's about it. Got another dump trip probably happening. Got everything shut off, getting shut off the 13th for power, and the last trash pickup on Monday this coming week. Whew. What a trip, man. Still don't have a place to live. Hopefully we get that figured out today or tomorrow. And then, hell, we're going to Colorado for sure at this point. Man, it's been quite a ride, this moving business. Gonna be a whole new world up there in Colorado. But I hope you guys enjoyed the short little vlog of me running around getting some stuff done. Come back for the next video. It'll be happening probably in the next few days. Sorry we didn't post a video for like 4 or 5 days, I guess, just because we've been running around like crazy people. It's absolutely insane moving to a whole nother state. But see you guys next time. Like, share, subscribe, hit the button, set the notifications. See y'all in the next one.